That's the beginning of the Lakeside footpath here from this side of the Feva Lake. People chilling here, and this is the chilled out area. Old Star restaurant and all of that. Organic food, the whatever. This is Pokhara, and the Peace Pagoda is right up there. You can't really see it. And the Shiva statue is a little up there as well. And this is more of the laid back foreigners and some locals, but mostly foreigners come and stay in this area for the cafes. And I'm going to be showing you this the whole Lakeside footpath here, all the way from this area with these little bungalows, like 700 Nepali rupees a night. It's just very simple, very basic, small, but you probably can't see it because the lighting is bad off the footpath. And it's right next to Freedom Cafe right over there. They have American pool tables there. They got a live band playing, a bar, a big screen TV. Here they have a Korean style food restaurant, a nice little doggy. Hey buddy. Korean food, veg and non-veg stuff. And you can see how beautiful it looks at night over there with the Ferris wheel and all. Fun park, the Pokhara Disneyland Park, that's what they call it. If you're vegan, they got the vegan way here, and they also offer yoga classes every day at 8:30 in the morning, 9:30 and 4:30 drop-in classes, and they got the information there and all that. Namaste, how are you? Namaste, namaste, namaste. Very happy kids and all. People are here always happy, especially when you pull out a camera. So how is everybody doing? I haven't showed my mug yet. This is my mug, so we call it in the US, that expression. So nice laid back Saturday night here in the month of April. And they also play live music here. And then we got the juicery over there. And basically all of these are posh cafes. The juicery cafe, very posh. And that's the security guard trying to see if you can go in or not. Pretty cool. The juicery cafe. Top terrace up there called Tagaro Terrace, playing electro music. I mean, they got these quirky cafes and restaurants. Some are very posh, some are not as posh. And this is the more chilled out area to hang out at for foreigners. And you're not gonna get harassed or bothered. And all kinds of stuff and all kinds of cuisines, from Spanish, French, Italian, Indian, Nepali. I don't know about Mexican, but I haven't seen any yet. Deja Vu, another restaurant, looks pretty nice, chill. Men are like fine wine. I like that sign over there. It's pretty funny because it's not really saying anything good about them unless they're stomped on by women for years. We have another nice restaurant here called the Silk Road. A lot of foreigners here. It's pretty cool. It's pretty laid back. Music is pretty light. Mascot, another retro bar, restaurant, whatever, and they play live music here too. Yeah, you can see the Ferris wheel functioning up there and people having fun. Coffee break, another place. Pretty nice cafe, bar, restaurant. They got another establishment over here called Open House. It's a very nice layout. I mean, really posh, really nice, really clean and good. It just looks like a good atmosphere. They got breakfast, lunch, and just look at how nice it looks. It looks very nice. Now we cross into where the locals, more like a local tourism comes. We got the whole Pokhara Disneyland Fun Park here, and the other restaurants and the barbecues and music playing. It's a whole lot different. And they got a pirate ship right here. There you go. All right, say what's up, YouTube. Namaste.
Namaste, namaste.
Ah, excellent. The famous bubble tea they sell here. I kid you not, this place is called Disneyland. Pokhara Disneyland Fun Park. They got a skating rink. They got a little bumper cars for the little kids there. They got the pirate ship over here working. They got this that's not working. They got the Ferris wheel. They got a lot of stuff happening here. Pretty cool. Hello. So and people are just enjoying their time. It's a little like, it's a fun park. They got another thing there. They got the little guns They're shooting at the whatever, the balloons. And it's just a fun park for kids and for families to enjoy. I mean, wow. Pokhara's got a little bit of everything for the whole family. You see, like when I was a kid in South Carolina, USA, bumper cars, baby, bumper cars. I love it, I love it, I love it. So you get to see the contrast between the other area where we started from, where they got the chilled out area for foreigners, and then here is more of the local tourism with families and everything, and people roller skating there with the indoor roller skating stuff. Like when I was a kid in South Carolina, my mom, our mother, because I have a brother, younger brother, used to take us on Saturday night to the roller skating rink. And this reminds me of that experience at the roller skating rink in South Carolina, outside of Greenville, South Carolina, USA, when we were kids. Thank you, Mom. I know you're on the other side now. Thanks. My brother and I thank you. This is another chill place called Annapurna Garden. It's really chilled out. I mean, they're not gonna be cheap, but if you want a nice time as a foreigner coming here with your girl or your husband or your kids, the whole family, this has it for everybody. Pokhara has it for everybody, and I'm just showing you the lakeside part, not the main drag over there, because this is much better than the main street where you got all the other stuff going on. This is much more relaxed, laid back. Let's go with the famous bridge. The little bridge is hard to climb if you don't have the stuff for that. You could just go around like this. So this is more of the local vibe right here.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
Oh my god. Do you have a channel?
Yes, I do. How are you?
What's the channel name?
Traveling Eddie.
A-D-A-D. Okay,
E-double-D-I-E.
E-double-D-I-E. Okay, I will subscribe. Okay?
Are you from Pokhara?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Why do you like Pokhara?
Because it's very beautiful. Look, peace.
Yeah, right. A lot of peace.
Yeah.
Very clean.
Yes, yeah.
And the fresh air.
Yeah.
And very clean.
Yes. Hello. Where from? Australia?
America, USA.
Oh.
What's your
My
name?
dream country.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Gina.
Gina?
Gina.
Gina.
Sheena.
Sheena. Oh, my name is Eddie.
Ah, Eddie.
Such nice people since I've been here for 2 weeks now. In another nice little place where people can hang out. And this is more of the local vibe, more families walking through this area than the initial part that I showed you. You can tell. I've walked here plenty of times during the nighttime and I always see the same. More families from the fun park area, Disneyland, Pokhara Disneyland, towards this side, going towards the place where people take the boat out to the temple, the main temple. I forgot the name of them. It's a Devi temple, not a male temple, but a female temple. Oops. So this is more the local hangout here. People just come and sit on these chairs under that thing, go over here, go along the side of the lake here on the little slope. And there are some ghats around here somewhere, a few ghats. And a lot of people over there with the little stalls, food stalls right over here on the little pitch. It's like a soccer pitch. And for events. So this is the local vibe. If you want to feel the town vibe, you come here. This is where the townspeople normally like to come and hang out. And I like it. I really do enjoy coming here. I've enjoyed my time here so far, and I will continue to enjoy it. And I hope if you come, you enjoy it a lot. I mean, my voice is just so calm, cool, and collective. Thanks. Yeah, no ice cream for me today. I have had my milk or dairy quota today. This leads you up to the main choke here, like we're in the middle, and you got this guy off the back of his bicycle. Namaste, doing the little sweet corn Little barbecue right off a bicycle. That's got to be awesome. So this is the other side. And that was a cool thing I saw back there. That thing on the bicycle having a grill, a corn grill on the back of a bicycle. That was cool. This place is even more chilled. The chillest place is the other place, the first where we began, but this is also a very chilled out bamboo bar. Place here looks pretty cool. Jacob's Creek, very chill place too, but this is on the other side going towards the Peace Pagoda, towards the docks where they got the little boats going out to the mandir in the middle of the lake, and they got all this barbecue stuff here. Outdoor dining. It's pretty cool. Hey buddy, how you doing? Hey, more people just chilling. Live music over there. BBQ. I mean, it's got a romantic vibe to it as well for some of these cafes and restaurants. I mean, if you're here with your gal, it's really got a romantic vibe to it. I really like it. I definitely want to come back to Pokhara. This is Zorba. Food menu and everything, snacks, pizza, grilled sizzlers, drinks, hot chocolate. Zorba restaurant. And then we got this other one called Flamingo right over here. It's a very nice restaurant. It looks like it, but Zorba looks pretty cool. They got some live music going on over there and a motorcycle that I was not expecting to have around here, but it's part of life. This place called the Boomerang, since 1991 restaurant. They have live performances every night, and there's somebody over there dancing and everything with a traditional local dance. Then you got some of these things where the locals hang out, these little things right here, pretty cool. And the chai sellers here selling chai and little snacks and barbecues along the way. It's a very cool temple here where the boats go out to the mandir. I'm showing you a little bit of the main drag here. You got Mantra Takali Kitchen, Moon Dance over there, and this is going towards the main part, so I'll show you a little bit of it and that's it. Now if you're looking for a hard party town, this is not it, even though I hear Buster Rhymes over there at Jay's Bar or whatever, but this is more laid back party vibe. People are not partying hard here, but they did recently change the law for this city that would allow bars and dance clubs to open until very late or something. And any of you who are looking for the luck of the Irish, they have the Irish pub here. If you want to come to the night Irish pub, you can come down here, mate. And they have so many tourism offices for trekking, for the bungee jump, all this stuff. All over the place they have this. All over the strip here and in other areas. And a lot of shops where you can get your trekking equipment, umbrellas, whatever, hiking sticks. And the brass monkey, the funky monkey. We got the fat monkey eat drink vibe with 3 levels. I was in there the other day and they have live music going on.